Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your support, really do appreciate it. So Vechain right now is doing really well, isn't it? It's picked up. It did hang around here for too long, like I said to you on the stock RSI as well. It doesn't like to hang around for too long, and it's picked up and it's starting to look really good, isn't it? And potentially it could be forming a brand new run here. Now people say, where should I enter? Well, not financial advice, but you know, I always tell people not to buy big green candles because you get big red dildos. It feels better buying dips. You know, remember this, in bull markets you buy dips, you don't cry in dips. Okay, dips are for buying, they're not for crying. And dips are optimal opportunities, and they do come. You had one yesterday. Okay, you had a big dip and it came, you know, and now look, it's picking up again. And because this is what happens in bull markets, you buy the dips, you don't cry on the dips. Remember that. Okay, so providing we can hold structural support right now, you're not looking at a bear market for Vechain. It's looking structurally sound for continuation of the bull, and break these levels of resistance here, and you're looking at continuation, aren't you? It's doing everything it needs to do and adhering to structure. You've got technical targets above you and not technical targets below you. You've broken out of a whopping falling wedge on the daily time frame here. Look, boom. This is a bullish reversal pattern. I told you all the way on the way down here, this is a bullish reversal pattern. When you break, you're looking at the upside. You've carried out a WW bottom at the minute, which you've broken out of. You've got an ascending triangle there, which had a destination as well, which you've actually met. And right now you do have another technical target of 1111759, roughly around that area. And again, if you do equally break that target, you've got another technical target to the upside of 14 cents. But you know, people say, where do I enter? You buy support? Like yesterday on the 4-hourly time frame. Let's take a look at this. So on the 4-hourly time frame, look, you're in a whopping uptrend. Okay, the trend is your friend until the end. You've came down in a whopping downtrend. You've bottomed out, forced into an apex. You've broken out and you've reversed the trend. And on the 4-hour especially, you buy support. You buy support. Do you see this? So you're holding the 55 like an absolute boss at the minute. Okay, on the 4-hourly though, let's take a look at this. On the 4-hourly, potentially you've got some kind of little cup and handle on the go there for Vechain. I'm just going to show you the next impulsive wave up. It's looking good, it's looking healthy, you know, and if you can continue to hold the support, you're looking at continuation until you lose support. That's where you're looking at the rollover. So you're looking at getting to the technical target off this next impulsive wave, which is formed off this low here, which bounced off to 55 on the 4-hour. But you are looking potentially like there's some kind of little cup and handle just there for Vechain. Take a look on the hourly, you might see it a little bit better. Yeah, so there's potential, there's a little W bottom there. Look, you see patterns all over the place. So on the hourly time frame here, you rolled down, potentially some kind of little falling wedge, but it lost structure and it created another low there, which is this low here. Do you see that? Look, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And you've got just here, you've got a beautiful little double bottom that's played out. Look at that, beautiful. So you've come down, it's all tradable, okay? Look, you've made a low, you've hit a level of resistance, which was the EMA's resistance, came down and made a higher low. That in itself is saying, yeah, you're making a higher low here, you're looking to come back up and test the resistance, and if you break that, you're reversing the trend, you're flipping the switcher, you're reversing this little correction, and you're looking to go long just there, and you break that level of resistance just there, you've got a beautiful little trade, okay, and we'll take a look at this. Did this play out? Obviously it did. You can see it did from the low, the lowest low you see, and that's it, boom. So you know, it's what you do, it's little trade in and outs, and that was a beautiful little long up there of 4.38%. so you're looking good, but within this you're creating some kind of little cup and handle formation, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Look, like this, create a little basin right there, and if you start to get rejected at this high, you know, start to roll back a little bit like that, create a little bit of a handle, come back up and break the high, you've got another technical target, and the technical target from here, these are all bullish patterns, okay, technical target from here, from there. I think we've just gone through this, haven't we, with the impulsive wave up. It's probably about the same, if not a little bit higher. So you could be looking at a lovely break to 13 cents here. You know, it could come quite quickly as well. So if you do see Vechain come up right now and break this level of resistance at 0.1712, but you'll have to form a little handle first, come back primarily to the 20 on the hour, okay, because look, you see it's holding support. So if it does start to reject at this high, okay, and it starts to roll back and you're thinking, shit, it's going to create some kind of little cup and handle here. Now if it falls back to the 20, that could offer a fantastic little long up within itself, where you come up, break this high, and you're looking at a fantastic upside. So within itself, say you did roll back, okay, and you come down to the 20, you could be looking at a lovely little 16% long up there, or wait for the break of this high on Vechain. You could be looking at 11% little long up there as well, and that would meet all the targets, wouldn't it, so far off this W bottom pattern that we're going through. And then equally we've got this particular level of resistance just there, which is that's the other high in the falling wedge, isn't it, on the daily. Let's have a look at that. So let's take a look at this. So yeah, you've got your resistance there, look, that you create for yourself. So that's a level of resistance as well. So yeah, that's another technical target, but you're not going to get there overnight unless you do, and you melt faces like Cardano and XRP. You're in upside targets, you're in upside projections, so it's all good, it's all golden, okay? But you will fall back to support. As long as you hold that support, you are good for continuation of this bull run, okay? Like I said to you, if we do start to roll now, I would not like to see the loss of this as support, to be honest with you, because if you do start to see Vechain come down below that, that is giving a high percentage, potentially, you know, you're retracing to a key level of resistance right here for Vechain like this. You've come down. You're coming down like this, you retrace, you come back up and you retrace into a key level of resistance before rolling again and continuing with a downtrend and potentially forming a whopping A, B, C correction right there for Vechain. But so far so good, you know, we've got to take advantage of what's in front of us, and in front of us are technical targets to the upside, okay? So I do project more upside, providing we can hold support, you know, and if you did start to come down and lose that, you'll be falling under this golden cross of buy and go to the beach from CoinsKid and potentially entering the bear. Okay, full transparency, I'll never lie to you. So yeah, it's looking good, it's looking rosy, it's looking golden for Vechain at the minute. You've got technical targets above you and you are adhering to structure right at the minute to get those. But I would imagine that, you know, if you do start to come up to these levels right now, you're getting a bit overextended and a little rollback to support, i.e. the daily 20 EMA could offer a fantastic entry opportunity for those that have missed the boat here. Okay, so that's Vechain. It's looking good, looking golden. Take care, everyone. Let me just check that retracement level actually. So I'm going to go from here, not the wick, I'm going to go from here, and you are currently, let's take a look at this, you are currently coming up to 0.50 with that expected break of this cup and handle that's potentially coming, which is good. And then if you come back up and break this 14 cents, you could see yourself get back above the golden ratio here, and with that you're creating a high probability of coming back to the all-time high and creating this full retracement before next impulsive wave up there, look to 78.6, roughly around that area. Okay, take care everyone, back tomorrow, another Vechain update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, bye bye.